If I want to play one of my TOMi digital lessons offline, here's how you do it. So here, my TOMi8 is already offline. It's not connected to an internet connection. As you can see, the online option is not working. Only the offline options are available. So what I'm going to do right now is to access one of the lessons, go to the Actions button again, and choose the Play option. Over here, this is going to give me all the instructions to access my lesson. And the first thing you need to do is to connect to the TOMi Wi-Fi intranet, which is TOMi 2.4 or TOMi 5, depending on the options. And you're going to go to your browser, your favorite browser, and type T8:8080. After that, you're connected to the network of TOMi, and you're going to select the option TOMi Play. Let me show you how that works. So remember, you need to enter your favorite browser and type T8:8080. I'm going to go to the Edge browser, and I'm going to go ahead and type exactly that. T8:8080, and then when I click on go, I'm going to have these two options. This one is to access TOMi Play, and I also get the option to access Colibri, the content access app.